So I have a bit of a confession to make. I almost gave up on this channel, several times in fact. But before I get into that, let's start from the beginning.
Hey everyone, Tim here, and today I'd like to do a quick tutorial about paracord stopper knots. So I hope this helps someone out there.
So this is a bit different. I was editing a video the other day and I realized that how you guys have heard me talk and what you've seen me do, it isn't really me. It's not me because most of what you guys see is usually edited and scripted and very planned out. And while this video is somewhat planned, I don't really have a script in front of me. I've just got a few points over there on my cheat sheet. But anyhow, I just wanted to turn on the camera today and talk to you guys because I've got some news to share. So getting back to the beginning, how did I get here? Starting in the early 2000s, I studied fine arts as my university major. And having an Asian mom, of course, I couldn't do just a fine arts degree. I couldn't paint for a living. So I also did an education degree. I was supposed to be a high school teacher. That didn't happen because, during my studies, I realized I didn't really want to be a high school teacher. That being said, though, my degree wasn't a complete waste because I did end up going to Japan for about a year to teach English. And I, needed a degree to do that. And I was actually there during the Tohoku earthquake and tsunami. So I can talk more about that later if you guys want me to. It's kind of crazy. But anyhow, I did that for a year. And then when I came back, and since then I've worn several hats. Immediately what I did for money was paint houses because that's something I actually did during my university summers. And it was just a skill I had acquired, and I knew some people in the business, so I was able to just get, a painting job, right? Did that for a while. And actually after painting for someone for a while, I started a painting company with my best friend, who is the same guy behind a lot of the really great photos you see on my Instagram. So go check out Evoke Photo Studios. We had a painting company for a while. We were really great at painting, but we sucked at business. So, we did it for a while. We made a bit of money, I think. But overall, it was okay. Had to move on. I needed something a bit more stable. Moved out on my own, and then I started working as a security guard. So I was a security guard at a shopping mall. It was a nice mall. It was kind of one of those, fancier, bougie malls. And after like 3 years, I ended up becoming the director of security. So, it's what it is. I was running the security team there. So before I moved out, I had already started the YouTube channel. And how did it start? Well, it actually started because of this. That's right. This is a pocket knife, as you can see. But I wanted to tie a lanyard onto the tail end of this knife, which oddly enough doesn't have one. But before that lanyard, I had to tie the diamond knot, which you all know and love. That same stopper knot we use for bracelets, as you can see here. Learned how to tie this knot, wanted to slap it on this knife, and I realized a lot of the tutorials out there weren't very clear, or they were kind of like poor quality. And after, struggling to figure out the knot on my own, I'm like, why don't I just make my own video? I'll do that and help other people out. From there, I actually started posting knife reviews and I kind of joined the knife community, but then I also just started doing these paracord videos because they were gaining some, views. So really this started out as a hobby, like, a lot of things. And eventually I realized, with AdSense and whatnot, I could make a bit of money. And in 2017 is when I quit my day job, my security job. It was getting kind of stressful, getting kind of, just dumb at work. So I decided to quit. And another reason why I did that was because at the time my dad was fighting cancer. And he had been fighting it for a good 5 years or so. And it was getting tough because he'd done all the treatments, chemo, multiple surgeries, radiation therapy, all that. And he needed someone to, be more available with him, to take him to the hospital, to his doctor visits, to the treatments. And you know what? I felt it was just time to quit my day job so I could be there for him. And, I didn't want to be there anymore. I just wanted to do YouTube full time. It didn't work out quite as well as I wanted to because those first few months were a little shaky, actually. I was not really making all that much money, but I was there for my dad. And, even though he eventually lost his battle with cancer, quitting my day job and doing YouTube full time gave me more time. And it gave me more time to just be with him. And, I'll forever be grateful for being able to do that. Anyhow, since 2017, I've been doing this full time. And It being a little shaky at first was actually good for me because it allowed me to, well, not allowed me, it made me push myself to become a bit more creative and, make better videos instead of just kind of coasting. But for the longest time, this channel has kind of always been a hobby that made me money. And that's one of the things I've always needed to work on, is to treat it more like a business. And I mentioned wanting to quit. Well, yeah, because, Paracord, it's not the biggest niche out there. It's not like a cooking or gaming channel. That being said, though, I am eternally grateful for all of you guys in this hobby. We're a small community, but still thankful for each and every one of you. But yeah, I was looking into other business ventures. I was looking into having ebooks ghostwritten and selling them on Amazon. I was looking to start other YouTube channels. I was even in the process of making one of those kinetic sand channels. Where they like have the sand and then they cut it with a knife and it's supposed to be like satisfying. And I even bought the sand and I was trying to film the video. And during the time I was making it, I was like, what am I doing? Like, I wasn't really enjoying it. But anyhow, I always came back to doing this because this is what I enjoyed the most. And I decided to not let the fact that, even though videos on a channel like this don't get the most amount of views, it's what I created, it's what I've been doing, and it's what I've been enjoying the most. So here we are in 2024, and what are we doing now? Well, really happy and excited to announce officially that I've partnered with the great people over at SpeedyJig, the same people that made this awesome thing here. This is the SpeedyJig Monkey's Fist jig, but they've also made, the bracelet jig and whatnot. This doesn't have the rod things on it. But together we are bringing you paracordweavers.com, right? This is gonna be our online paracord store. And yeah, we're gonna have everything you guys need for this awesome hobby. Paracord, buckles, hardware, tools. And not only that, because the people over at SpeedyJig, mainly Mark Richards, I'll link his YouTube channel down below, they have manufacturing capabilities. We're gonna be making our own paracord tools and jigs and really cool stuff like that. So that's really exciting. So what I really wanted to let you guys know is that starting mid-June, we're going to have the soft launch for the website at paracordweavers.com. And what that means is if you sign up at the link down below and put in your email, you're going to get early access to the website. And why would you want to do that? Well, you're going to get access to exclusive discount codes, early access to the site, and also orders that are placed during the early access period will get a bunch of free stuff. Stuff like patches, a bit of mystery paracord, and also an exclusive launch project, which is an exclusive video, plus the paracord hardware and all the stuff you need to make this exclusive project included with your order for free. There's also an option where you can just pay the shipping and get the freebies as well. But all the details you'll get through your email once you sign up to our newsletter. I also wanted to mention that I'm actually going to be a part owner in this company, which means that I have a say in the type of products you'll see and what goes on with the company. And that being said, if there are any products, tools, or whatever that you guys want to see in this store, just comment down below and let me know what you want to see, because I will read all the comments and I'm going to talk to the people I'm working with and we can make that happen. And also, I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you to you guys, because I really wouldn't be here without any of you. And so whether you've supported the channel by just being a subscriber, a supporter on Patreon, or channel members, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. It means so much to me that I'm able to do this full time. And at paracordweavers.com, we just want to provide you with the best materials, paracord, everything you need for this hobby, but also the best customer experience. So if you're serious about this hobby and you want to take it to the next level, join us and sign up down below at paracordweavers.com. Oh, and this is the knife in question that started it all. That's the Spyderco Tenacious. Still a good knife, still has a good edge on it, and I will never be selling this ever.